Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that might be on your mind if you've had a frustrating experience with the Social Security Office. The title says it all: How to File a Complaint Against the Social Security Office in 2025. Whether it's a denied claim, poor service, or something else, knowing your rights and the right steps can make all the difference. I'm here to break it down for you in a simple, straightforward way. First off, why file a complaint? In 2025, the Social Security Administration, SSA, has updated its processes to be more digital and user-friendly, but issues can still arise. Filing a complaint not only helps resolve your problem but also improves the system for everyone. So, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Document everything. Before you do anything, gather all relevant details like dates, names of representatives you spoke with, and any correspondence. This is crucial because it strengthens your case. Step 2. Start locally. Contact your nearest Social Security office directly. You can call them at 1-800-772-1213 or visit their website at ssa.gov. Explain your issue calmly and ask for a resolution. If they can't help, request a formal complaint form. Step 3. Go online. In 2025, the SSA has enhanced its online portal for easier submissions. Log in to your My Social Security account, navigate to the Contact Us section, and look for the complaint filing option. Fill out the form with specifics, attach your documents, and submit it electronically. This is often the fastest route. Step 4. Escalate if needed. If you're not satisfied, you can appeal to higher levels, like the Office of the Inspector General. They handle more serious allegations of misconduct. Remember, timelines are important, so act within the required periods, usually 60 days for appeals. A few tips to keep in mind. Be polite but firm, keep records of all interactions, and consider seeking advice from a legal expert if the issue is complex. Also, if you're dealing with disability claims, there might be additional steps through the appeals process. Wrapping this up, filing a complaint might seem daunting, but with these steps, you're well equipped. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care.